Here's how to get more social media engagement using ChatGPT. I need to create a social media content calendar for the next 30 days. I post on Instagram and Twitter. My business sells mail order brownies. I will post 5 times a week on both platforms. I want to strike a balance of posts where some are engaging and funny and others help sell my products. You will need to help me with this, as well as providing me with the full content calendar for both platforms. First, you will ask me questions about my business and audience until you think you have enough information. Then, you will provide me with the calendar formatted in 2 tables, one for Instagram and one for Twitter. You will provide me with the text captions in one column and a suggested image in the second. Let's begin. Now ChatGPT is going to ask you some questions so it can understand your brand and your customers. This is going to make the end result so much better. So take the time to go through and answer all of the questions that you can. Now just a few moments later, you have a full content calendar for both Instagram and Twitter in your brand's voice and with a mix of engaging and salesy type posts. And if you need help generating the images, why not try an AI image generator like Midjourney or DALL-E? For more tips and to get access to our ChatGPT toolkit, just go ahead and check out our profile.